Chevrolet. It's a C10, and it's an original, my friend's grandfather's pickup that he had for many years, and he had to move out, so here it is. And it's a local vehicle with mostly original paint.
Is it 65 or 69?
69.
Okay.
That's right. I'm sorry, it's 69.
And it's from Ojai.
Yes, it's a local Ojai truck, and I remember his grandfather years and years ago in a rest home. It runs a 350 V8 with a automatic transmission.
Okay, super. Can we pop the hood?
Certainly. Yep. The engine, he told me it has about 20,000 on it. The engine, the transmission has about 10,000 miles on it. And we cleaned it up a little bit, and we put a new alternator on it and a master cylinder just for preventive maintenance, and put a new thermostat on it, and it just runs beautifully. And the heater works very well too, and it's just a nice driving vehicle. Yeah.
Super. Why don't you reach in there and we'll fire it up?
Turn the key on, but it's got a real nice original radio in here.
Discharge firearm and either.
So it's got original radio in it, and a push button radio, it's an extra back then. And then the startup. So, and it's got dual exhaust and runs very, very nice. And then all the gauges work. The gas gauge works, and the speedometer works. The temperature works. You can see it's up right now to there, and the emergency brakes. And the heater works, again, very, very well.